Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the font and the layout of the Bible on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the Bible button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the Bible, and if you want to change the layout, tap on this AA button at the top next to the search button and the speaker button. Here you can make it bigger and smaller. If you tap on the font button, you can choose from a bunch of fonts. Tap on the relevant one and then it will be changed automatically, as you can see it in the background. Then you can change the layout, then the background color of the page. You can make it to gray, dark blue or black as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.